You guys, here she is. Well, one of them. Okay, here's the one I just heard. Well, okay, I don't know if I should say it. This is one of the dolls I was saying that I ordered. Okay, now I'm ready to take her out of the box. And I think I already... Okay, there we go. Okay, here she comes. There she is. Out of the box. Out of the box. Oh. Oh, this is adorable. She's adorable. Look at that. Everybody say, look at that. Look at that. Like, she's not all that, like, firm. Look, she can bend. That's cool. And her hands are open. When I was looking at her, it seemed like her hands was closed, so I almost didn't get her for that reason. Oh, yeah. She's soft. She's not squishy, but yeah, she's soft. She's not a hard plasticky. Aww. Aww. Oh. Okay. Not sure how much room I have, but I know I don't have enough to sit here and open up everything. So I will be taking her out of the box. I'm looking for her rattle that I do not hear. She was supposed to come with a rattle. She came with a pacifier bottle, pacifier holder. I'm looking for the rattle. I don't see it. So I'm going to go ahead and take her out. Oh, let me take this sock off real quick. There's her toes. Oh, let me move.